Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix VAN1067 in League of Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, search for Services in Windows and open it. Scroll down or press V until you find VGC. Right-click, select Properties, and check if the service status is running. If not, click Start and set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and OK. If the error persists, open Task Manager and go to the Startup tab. Look for Vanguard Tray and ensure it is enabled. Restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. If you still see the error, press Windows R to open Run and type %local app data %. Locate the Riot Games folder and delete it. Next, go to Installed Apps. Search for Vanguard. Click the three-dot menu and select Uninstall. Once uninstalled, open the Riot client and launch League of Legends. The client will automatically reinstall Vanguard. So that's basically how you can fix VAN1067 in League of Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.